Why are you stopping me?
You're not driving, dog. You got ID?
No. Why are you stopping me?
Let me have your ID.
Why are you stopping me?
Let me have your ID. You're under arrest for concealing ID. Concealing ID for what? Now you're under arrest for resisting evading too.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Today's video is an older incident, but I was recently made aware of how deep this story goes by John Eagle. Be sure to check out his channel and let him know I sent you. On August 3rd of 2014, Jorge Corona was traveling in the backseat of a truck, being driven by his friends. The vehicle was pulled over by Clovis police officer Brent Aguilar.
Roll this window down, driver. Roll the window down. Your back one. Roll the back window down, please.
Yeah.
I'm talking to you, bro. You have your license, registration, insurance with you, ma'am?
A moment passes while the driver tries to locate the requested documents. During that time, Mr. Corona requests of the officer the reason that they were stopped, which causes the officer to focus on him.
Why are you stopping me?
You're not driving, dog. You got ID?
No. Why are you stopping me?
Let me have your ID.
Why are you stopping me?
Let me have your ID.
Why are you stopping me?
I'm going to ask you one more time. I'll place you under arrest. Let me have your ID.
For what?
Step out of the car.
As we've covered numerous times on this channel, a passenger, unless suspected of a crime or civil infraction, does not have to identify themselves to an officer during a traffic stop. However, Mr. Corona's refusal causes the officer to ask him to step out of the vehicle, and in the Supreme Court case of Pennsylvania v. Mims, the court noted that if you are detained already for a lawful traffic stop, that asking you to exit the vehicle is a minimal and reasonable intrusion of your freedom. The court came to the same conclusion for passengers in Maryland v. Wilson, and Mr. Corona complies with the officer's orders, stepping out of the truck as requested.
It's a car. Stop me. Why are you stopping me? It's a car. Turn off this car. Why are you stopping me? Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your pocket. Put your hands on your back. Why are you stopping me? Yes, I do. You're not driving, bro. You're stopping me. He's under arrest for concealing ID. Concealing ID for what? Come on. Concealing ID? Come on. Stop. I didn't put ID. Stop. Come on. That's my name was. I asked you to put your ID. Stop. Stop. Get back in the car. Watch it. Step back, Charlie. You should be rolling up here. Now you're under arrest for resisting evading too.
We already know that the arrest of Mr. Corona was unlawful, but to make matters worse, when Officer Aguilar throws Mr. Corona to the ground with his hands cuffed behind his back, there is nothing to stop his fall, and the impact with the ground breaks his cheekbone. And though the backup officer, Travis Loomis, arrived after the unlawful arrest, he still stood by and did nothing as Officer Aguilar violently assaults Mr. Corona. The district attorney's office dismissed the concealing identity charge, and a jury later acquitted Mr. Corona of the charge against him for resisting, evading, or obstructing an officer. Mr. Corona later sued both officers, as well as the city of Clovis and the Clovis Police Department, during which Officer Brent Aguilar was denied qualified immunity. The department stood by their officer, keeping him on duty, and by July of 2019, he was named in a total of 4 lawsuits, with allegations ranging from excessive force, the wrongful death of a car thief, the inappropriate release of a canine on a man, and wrongful arrest. And amidst all these lawsuits, Officer Aguilar was allowed to resign. It does not appear that he will face any criminal charges, and despite the lengths that the Clovis Police Department goes to post information about critical incidents involving aggravated assault, battery, and other violent crimes, there is not a single mention of Officer Aguilar's transgressions. As always, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and be sure to check out the links in the comments and description to find John Eagle's channel. If you head over there, be sure to let him know that I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.